gam naog niya pa.
Wow,
Gam naog.
it's more clean now.
Yeah. Park dito. Suda mo kaniya.
Asa na parkingan.
Yeah, mo na kong gingon. We're here at the airport.
I look like I'm bald.
But yes. And kargiyata ng camera kay nilingaw na noon siya. Hi, Anna.
Hello. Nana may lupad na may.
Nilupod na siya. So you're a witch because ningon kay nilupad ka. You are a bruja. Can't see me. Baba. So we're just waiting for Rocky and Lululoy kasi nag-park pa sila doon sa, of course, sa parking area. So yeah, umaga pa naman. It's still kaka 6 o'clock lang. So yung boarding time is by mong medicine is 9 a.m. So pretty much early still. So I don't know. Ooh, feels so good. Malamig this morning, no? It's cold.
It's killing me slowly.
It's killing you slowly? How in the hell? Hala, paging Ruben. So, ayan. It's my first time here sa bagong terminal sa Cebu. Oh my God! I don't like riding the plane. Gives me anxiety. Hi guys, good morning. So finally nag-check-in na kami and we're having breakfast muna ni Ruki. Tapos sila Sashi, sila Baba, nandun sila sa labas kasi baka may bagahe pa kaming naiwan. Ay, naiwan, baka wala naiwan. Baka may luggage pa kami na I don't know, but hopefully sana okay na lahat yung luggage namin. Sana madala namin lahat. So pag like mga mag-boarding na or something, mag-reach na yung 8 pwede na silang umalis. So I'm eating bonchon, by the way guys. It's my first time to eat bonchon kasi whenever we go to SNC side, sabi ko we'll try it there sa bonchon bar. Ayaw nila ng bonchon pero masarap. I like their chicken, no? So, I like their chicken. So oh my God, man. But I feel different from yung mga past na travels ko. Pero ngayon, usually ganito naman talaga. I feel anxious. Especially, you know, you're riding a plane. Tapos yung last na plane ride namin was very bumpy. So, and as you can see, nakikita talaga ninyo that I'm stressed out because tingnan nyo naman yung pimples ko. Ang laki-laki, oh. Ayan. Tapos may foundation pa ako sa bibig. Oh gosh. So yan guys. I'm just going to finish eating and then I'm gonna see you later. Hi guys, so finally we are inside the plane. There's no turning back and yeah. Where are you fixing your hair? Oh my God. So stressed out. I cannot wait to...
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, buong puso po namin.
So finally we're moving. We'll be landing like 2 p.m. there in Nagoya. Yeah. We're moving guys. There's the gun outside.
They don't use a blanket, right?
Hi guys, we're outside and we look so haggard already. Woke up. Yeah. So we are just going to ride the train na guys. Yeah. Grabe. Ayan, ang init. Grabe. It is 31 degrees Celsius here in Nagoya. So we are already here at Kanayama Station waiting for our next train going to our place. Ayan, so hinintay ko lang si Ruki kasi bumili siya ng dyan sa convenience store ng mainom kasi ang init dito guys, grabe. It is so, I don't know, dry heat. Ayan. So the train leaves like mga 4:50, so still have time. So grabe, cannot believe I'm already here na. See you sa bahay siguro guys. Si Ricky nasa train. One more station and we are saan ba? Juicy lagi siya. Oh my god guys, kapoy na. I'm so tired. We're back after 3 years. Grabe, haggardness na ako. No? What can you say that you're back after 3 years? Grabe, na-stress na. Tingnan nyo naman yung ko dito. Oh. Grabe na, haggardness na. But it's summer today, kaya hindi masyadong matagal pa mag-dark, diba? Mga around 7 PM pa siya mag-dark. So, we still have time to buy something to eat and something to drink. Drink na lang. Elevator party. Wow, grabe yung pagmumukha namin. Whew! This is it, struggle. Dami kong bet-bet. Oh, nahina. Guys, so pasensya na sa aking pagmumukha. It is so hot and right now we're waiting for taxi. There's no taxi usually. Ayan na, there's coming taxi, pero I'm gonna show you the surrounding. Look at our place. Walang tao. Si Ruki ang nandito. Where's the people gone, bro? Wala. Where's the taxi? Hi guys, we are here in our apartment, which is very bare, but I am happy na medyo malaki yung room namin. Akala ko maliit yung magiging room namin. I'm so eerie looking. Pasensya na if ganito ng ating face, but yan. So medyo malaki yung apartment namin. I'm happy with it kasi yun nga, akala namin it's going to be a little so we don't have food, we don't have water, so since we don't have a car, we'll walk habang may araw pa. So disregard the messy kitchen, but for me it's okay, it's bare. We need to yan. So ito lang naman siya, medyo malaki. And I'm so thankful that we have washing machine and refrigerator. Kasi yun din yung wina-worry namin, especially yung having washing machine. Kasi importante pag naglalaba. So ayan, this is the room and then you go there. Ayan. Where's the light here? Ayan, may isang room dito and then, oh, andito pala. Ayun. Ayan, so, final room. May isa pa ding room dito. So, maybe this is the place that I'm going to film. Ayan, kasi medyo malaki and I don't know, maybe dito yung kama namin or whatnot, or pwede din dito kami matulog. Basta, and I'm happy na, you know, malinis yung background sa, thankfully, may maliit na aircon din kasi it's summer, it is so hot today. So, ayan, pretty much happy. That is our tour for our apartment here sa Japan, guys. It is so bare, empty. Very empty. So, pupunta muna kami ni Ruki sa store kasi wala kaming foodie, tsaka especially water. Ayan, so, ang init. Grabe. Wow, ang ganda ng ng river.
Mahog na siya.
Wala, manggod dira na manggod. Look at the river and the jungle. Ooh. Hello guys, can you hear kato dito?
Sa silong?
Yeah. The sound of the cricket. This is what you hear here in our province. Oh, you can hello. That's the river sa aking likuran. Mag-hiking muna tayo para
Hiking muna tayo.
yeah. Kasi wala pa yung bike.
Hiking muna tayo kasi wala pa yung bike.
Wala pa yung bike. Ayan si Ruki at the back.
Sabay lang sa highway. Ay lang diri giniiro diri.
Yeah, I don't like it here. There's a nice snake sa diran dapita. Oh my God, Usashi Buri. It's been 3 years. The last time I'm here. We are here pala. OMG, there's nothing major changes. Naman parang lang. Okay lang. I don't
parang
feel
ganun pa rin.
yeah, ganun pa rin siya. Guys. Oh my God, ang init lang. Ayan. Whew. See you later. Guys, nandito ako sa bus waiting for Ruki kasi pumasok siya dito sa Valor na drugstore. And stores are closing. Shimamura is closing na 7 o'clock kasi sila nagko-close. So, hanap kami ng pat. Yung Shimamura, sarado na sila. 7 o'clock nagko-close. Tapos dito, I think 8 o'clock. Tapos doon, yung pinanggalingan namin is like, magko-close sila mga 8 o'clock. And maagang nagko-close yung mga tindahan dito, guys.